What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that gives Beyonce, that gives all the single ladies. This wig is tea. Today's video is sponsored by Arabellahair. I have a 26-inch curly piano lace wig. Alright y'all, so this is the packaging that the wig came in. Major shout out to them for sponsoring this video. They sent over a bunch of goodies. They sent over all the things I'm gonna need. A wig cap, a wig band, clips, all of that. I love these HD wig caps just because they make it so much easier to do the install and make it even more flawless. But they sent all the necessities over. So here is the wig in all of her glory. Super nice density. What I will say about the hairline and the plucking, I did have to pluck a good bit because it was pretty thick, but the lace was nice. So I wasn't really complaining too much, but it wasn't super duper pre-plucked. You guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Erica J lace glue and I'm gonna apply that around the perimeter of my wig cap. I'm gonna apply that all across the cap, all across it, and then once I feel like it's nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and make sure you actually do the measurement of your head. A lot of people don't measure their head, and that can cause for a big wig or a small wig. So here I'm gonna go with my Erica J lace glue again. Too much longer than that. I feel like anything over that is a little bit excessive. To each their own, but I don't do it that long. So 20 minutes up, set my timer, cut it, and any excess lace you're just gonna cut. And just smoothing everything out. Smooth. Hair is looking at me. I'm like, this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of big, beautiful hair. Really, when they send you these highlight wigs, they don't give you the high density ones. So I really thought this was like a gem because this one looked really good and full. So trying to decide on the styling. The flip over was eating. I'm not gonna lie. The flip over was giving. It was giving a little something. So I just went with the flip over. I'm just plucking, cutting, and cracking these like some real deal baby hairs. Then I'm gonna take some gel and just smooth them out. Like I said, I was really working against a lot at the moment, so I feel like it wasn't my best work, but it was cute. It still was pretty. I feel like I looked pretty in it and on me. So I'm going in and combing and brushing a little bit, but not too much, because like I said, I didn't want it too wet and too defined. But this hair color is so pretty. It looks so good on me. I love how it was the perfect mix of blonde and brown. But this is the finished product. Like I said, this wig is fire. What I will say is go up a size in the wig. But major shout out to Arabella for sponsoring this video. All links and specs will be in the description box below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video.